Hi, Hamid.
Hi, Jason.
I'm here today on Zoom, obviously, since I can't be with you. So I was hoping I could have your likeness here with me. We didn't get the scale just right, but anyway, I'm here to present the 2020 Outstanding Graduate Student Award for the Department of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering to you for all of your fantastic accomplishments throughout your time here at UVA. So congratulations. I would like to say a few things about what you've done here. It's amazing to me all that you've accomplished in the relatively short time that you've been here. You've actually received a number of significant awards since you've been here, including a number of C's and MA fellowships. And just recently this year, you also received the ISO Graduation Award for Graduate Academic Excellence, which is a spectacular award. You've won all these awards, in my assessment, for a variety of reasons. You've really achieved academic excellence. Your GPA in graduate school was 3.975. I guess you got one A- in there somewhere, which is really difficult to do because we often tell students to focus on their research and not as much on their classes, but you were able to show that you're an excellent academic in the classroom and an accomplished researcher as well. I'm impressed that you have 15 peer-reviewed publications as a graduate student, but what's more impressive is you have an H-index of 7. And for folks that don't really know what that means you have at least 7 publications with at least 7 citations, which is just outstanding for a graduate student, but also for a graduate student in a field that doesn't have as many researchers working in it. And you really have impacted our field. Your work on protecting obese occupants is going to be very highly cited. It's certainly going to drive research in a direction that will likely result in improved safety for obese occupants. And you've introduced a methodology to perform, complex optimizations to our field in a way that I think has the potential to transform the way that we approach protecting occupants in vehicles in a big way. So from that perspective, you've changed the field. You are an accomplished researcher and an excellent academic, and I can think of no one else more deserving of this award. So congratulations.
Thank you, Jason.
Would you like to say something about?
Yeah, sure. First of all, I would like to thank you for these kind words and for this award. I'm truly honored to receive this award. I guess I was lucky that I studied in the Department of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering at University of Virginia. There I got to meet brilliant professors and graduate researchers. And of course, I learned a great deal during my PhD. For example, I learned how to look at a problem from different points of view and how to tackle a problem that I haven't seen before. And I'm also glad that I chose a research area, namely injury biomechanics, through which I contributed to improving public health. So yes, of course, it's a great pleasure to be a recipient of this award, but probably the most valuable award that I got was the opportunity to do research at the MAE Center for Applied Biomechanics during my graduate school. So yeah, thank you.
That's great, and I wish you luck in all your endeavors to come in your first new position, your first job, and your next job and the one after that as well, as I'm sure you will do excellent things for our field and for whoever you spend time working with. So thanks again for everything that you've done, and congratulations.
Thank you. All right.